Hello, hello, hello. I stand up. Sit down. I sit down. I walk. I walk. I run. I run. I jump. I jump. I open the book. I open the book. I close the book. I close the book. I drink water. I drink water. I eat an apple. I eat an apple. I look at the camera. I look at the camera. I listen. I listen. I speak English.
I speak English.
I read. I read. I write. I write. I open the door. I open the door. I close the door. I close the door. I smile. I smile. I clap. I clap. I point. I point. I wash my hands. I wash my hands. I clean the table. I clean the table. I turn around. I turn around. I raise my hand. I raise my hand. I stop. I stop. Thank you. Thank you. Goodbye. See you. Goodbye. See you. Great job. Practice every day. See you next time.
That's all for today on English for Beginners. If you enjoyed this video with example sentences and pictures and want to see more fun and easy learning videos, make sure to subscribe to our channel. You'll learn English with simple sentences and helpful images. It's easy and fun. See you next time, and good luck with your English learning.